Pronouncing the TH sound can be very difficult. It's important that you move your mouth and your tongue in the correct way. Your tongue should be between both of your sets of your teeth. So, this, that, these, those. When your tongue is in between your teeth, push out the sound. The best way to improve your pronunciation is by careful listening and trying to repeat the sounds, but also to use a mirror. Look at the movements of the mouth and the tongue, and then practice shaping your mouth in that way in front of a mirror. It really helps.